Fish diseases don't just appear overnight. Most times they are invited in quietly. In this video, I will show you how to prevent fish diseases before they start, using simple practices every fish farmer can apply. Fish diseases usually come from three sources: dirty water, infected fingerlings, and stress. When fish are stressed, their immune system weakens and disease takes over. Never mix new fish immediately with whole stock. Always quarantine new fingerlings for a few days to observe signs of sickness. Many farmers unknowingly transfer disease using nets, buckets, and boots. Stress is a silent killer. Sudden water changes, rough handling, loud noise, and overcrowding all stress fish. Your best disease control tool is observation. Healthy fish are active, responsive, and eat well. If more than a few fish show symptoms, act quickly. Consult an extension officer, aquaculture experts, or experienced farmer. Prevention is cheaper than treatment. If you care for the environment your fish live in, your fish will care for your pocket.